Hey, today I'm showing you my top 5 favorite eyeliner ideas. They lift the eyes beautifully and work perfectly for hooded eyes. All you need is soft pencil. Any creamy pencil will do it. I personally trust pencils in plastic cases because the gel-like texture really sets in place and doesn't transfer all smudge. Let's start with the tight lining. This fills the gaps between your lash roots and makes the line look deeper. Place one dot in the outer corner, right where your upper and lower lash lines meet. Smudge your low edge following your lower lashes with a thin, sharp brush. I love the pencil from YSL Beauty just because it's a true 2-in-1, a waterproof pencil and the best brush ever. And makes sense, right? Super practical. And then connect everything to your upper lash line. This is just a draft. And after that, build up the intensity. Honestly, you could stop watching here. This is the basic technique. But the next part is for those who are tired of just black liner in the corners. So add the burgundy shade or any other color along the lash line. Choose something metallic with a little shine. It adds space and dimension to the mobile lid. Lay the pencil almost flat and use short, tiny strokes. This method gives you total control. Your hands stay steady and it's almost impossible to mess it up. And if you do mess up, perfect. Pencils are forgiving. We smudge everything in the next step anyway. Now, we have a gradient eyeliner. Very interesting, right? I choose a reddish tone because it's used gray, green, brown, and blue eyes. Next, add mascara. I'm using one with a curved wand. It dives into the lashes so easily, just because of the shape. And I also like adding it to the lower lashes. Fast but not simple at all. It's an easy way to spice up your everyday makeup. And please don't try to fix the black liner with your finger. It will turn into a grungy, messy line, not clean and not sharp at all. And let's move on to the next part. I also love colorful eyeliners. Warm tones are perfect for beginners and they are easy to correct and won't blend into a muddy gray because warm tones already exist naturally in our skin tone. Apply the pencil, smudge the wing, go across every wrinkle and fold, and build up the intensity. Now, the magic part. If you have some mistakes around the eyeliners or with a wing, take a flat brush and dive into the eye cream. Gently smooth and smudge that line. You can fix the up line the same way. Add mascara. I apply extra on the outer corners for focus effect, but the other eye is more about doll eye effect. If you have dried mascara on the lid, just scrub it off with a clean eyebrow brush. And then add a bit more pencil again. Next technique. Draw a line that looks like the natural continuation of your last lash. Do that with a brush, not the pencil directly. And by the way, let's do sparkling eyeliners. Follow your lower lash line, go across the crease or just under it, depends on your lid. Once you are happy with the shape, add more intensity with a pencil. Smudge the tip of the wing as thin as possible. I'm going for a festive but still casual eyeliner. Look at that sparkle. Just wow. And it doesn't fall down. Great for sensitive eyes or anyone wearing contact lenses. And one more hack. Do your eyeliner in brown or burgundy first, or actually you can use eyeshadows. And only after fixing all the mistakes, outline it with the black, green, blue, or purple, I mean the dangerous shades. It's easier this way than removing the entire line and starting over. Smudge the wing and apply mascara. I will make both eyes match, so I need a little bit more time for that. Another hack. Use matte concealer instead of eye cream. With a sharp brush, clean underneath the wing. It removes all the grayish dust from the smudging. But don't go too close to the wing. You risk touching it with a concealer and making the eyeliner look unfinished. How to remove the mistakes? Take a Q-tip and eye cream. Roll it as you remove the eyeliner. The cream warms up the pencil and helps remove it easily. Then clean underneath the concealer. And the last idea. Take your safe shade and draw the line higher, parallel to your lash line. Don't try to make both eyes perfectly symmetrical. Our eyes are naturally different and just following your own features. I choose to follow the lash line, but you can go closer to the brows. It depends on the distance between the brow and lash line. After that, fill in the new shape with a black pencil. I'm using matte black because metallic shades can highlight puffiness on hooded lids, but matte gives more depth to that line. Clean everything again with a matte concealer if you want to make it perfect. And that's it. If you found even one new idea in this video, let me know in the comments which technique you will try first. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who struggles with eyeliners, especially if they have hooded eyes. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!